automotive world is gearing up for one of the most important events in the calendar. Once every 2 years, car manufacturers roll into the Paris Motor Show, ready to launch their latest four-wheel designs and concept cars on the world stage. This new Mini hatchback, named the Mini 5-door, boasts many of the hallmarks of the famed British icon. But for the first time in the brand's 55-year history, it comes with 2 additional doors.
The new 5-door Mini is certainly controversial, simply because it's no longer a small car, and many enthusiasts believe a Mini should be a small car. But what it's doing, it's taking the brand into new territory, it's opening up new markets for people with growing families, and it really should help sell more cars for them.
This is the Citroën Divine DS. There's no familiar Citroën logo, instead a futuristic-looking DS on the front. It's a result of a collaboration with a host of companies, including fashion jewellers Swarovski. Citroën says the end product is a perfect alliance between sophistication and luxury.
I think DS is trying to take on the established idea of premium, which has been set by the German brands. I mean, it's trying to do it in a particularly French way, so you're looking at sort of an extremely overstyled, perhaps slightly more luxurious take on what we've become used to. And I think any variety is good for the industry.
According to Jaguar, the XE will boast highly competitive fuel economy, emissions, insurance ratings, service intervals and residual values. It's also said to be priced at €35,000. Important statistics, considering the XE is expected to be sold as a company car, an area of the market which demands high fuel economy and low insurance prices.
I think the biggest one will be the Jaguar XE, which is almost make or break for the company. It takes on the BMW 3 Series and Mercedes C-Class, and if it's a success, it really could almost double their sales volume.
French car maker Peugeot is set to preview its own concept model. Roaring from the shadows, this 5-door Exalt is designed as a sleek, athletic concept car. It weighs 1,700 kilos and is fitted with a 50-kilowatt electric machine on its rear axle, meaning it can be used for both electric and hybrid driving.
Peugeot have got a big job to be done to persuade people that they are really rivals for Volkswagen, and part of that is showing exciting upmarket cars, which the Exalt certainly is. Whether we actually see something like that on sale, very doubtful, but it's a good intention to show where Peugeot is going in terms of its brand.
At launch in 2015, the 7-seater Land Rover Discovery Sport will be equipped with a range of 4-cylinder turbocharged petrol and diesel engines. It'll also boast autonomous emergency braking technology, which helps drivers avoid collisions, and a head-up display which projects key driving data onto the windscreen.
The design of the Land Rover Discovery Sport is particularly eye-catching. It moves the whole game on again. It takes it away from perhaps being just a pure utility vehicle to perhaps one that's a bit more stylish and a bit more upmarket.
At the Detroit Motor Show in January, Toyota showed off the FT1 concept sports car, a new rear-wheel drive vehicle which apparently stood for future Toyota. Earlier in November 2013, the car maker unveiled this JPN taxi concept model at the Tokyo Motor Show. Its low floor and high roof were apparently designed to allow ease of access, therefore catering to Japan's aging population.